So what's up, guys? We back at it again with another one. Sorry that this video is a little short, but this is something that like my friend up in New York, his name is Buddy. We go back way back. He doing some work on this 1952 m37 truck. Hope you guys like it. He told me, said this truck has a 230 flat top head, six manual, 4-speed trans with a 573 gears. So I'm just gonna throw in little clips to show you guys how it looks, what he's doing to it. He didn't send me a lot because he's working on it, and this is what he's doing, his little project. He just thought it'd be something cool for the channel for him to see and watch. So you guys take a look, let me know what you think. And right now,
Yeah, she needs to sit here and run. She ain't been ran in 10-15 years at the least.
alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that clip of the truck. I really like it. I thought it was something neat. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it, but hopefully I can get some more clips of it. I will ask him for some more, and maybe get some more like ride around clips and stuff. So you guys take care, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next episode of Low and Slow Garage. Peace.